How to remove liked songs on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove liked songs from Spotify. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to remove liked songs or liked playlists on Spotify, simply go ahead and open up Spotify. Once you open up Spotify, you shall get an free song like this, as you can see on the screen. Now you want to tap on the library tab, your library option at the bottom right corner. Then you'll be able to find the liked songs playlist. So you want to tap on it. Now you won't be able to remove this playlist at all like you can do so for other playlists that you have added. But to remove liked songs, what you can do is tap on the three dots beside the song that you like to remove from this playlist, and then tap on remove from this playlist, and you can see it'll be removed from liked songs. So this is exactly how you can easily remove songs from liked playlist on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.